everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're showing today, this is a Stokes Model F tablet press, and we've already spent a little time setting it up and getting the correct depth of fill, the amount of tonnage. So we made a number of tablets. What we're pressing today is I'll show you a little bit of this, is a powdered salt material, very fine. And we've been able to press a number of tablets. These are about 3/4 by an 1/8 inch thick. So that's one of the bigger ones we've made. And then we've been able to go down, these are 1/16 inch thick, or this is the other one's a quarter, this is an 1/8. Same diameter, and we've even got down to a couple little wafer sizes. So we've been able to go through the range of depth of fill pretty much. It's rated for about 50 tablets a minute. We're going to turn it on right now to press a few tablets for you. Pretty normal. They have a little excess dust on them, so if you need it, we do have tablet dedusters. And the machine's rated about 50-60 tablets per minute. There you go. Even though these machines are older, they will continue to operate for years and years to come. They can be rebuilt forever. Tooling is still available for them, varies punch die size. We have lots of equipment on our website, so I do hope you'll visit us at www.champtrading.com. We thank you for joining us for this video today.